Hello, people, welcome to Himalaya's Astro World. Now we are at the end of zodiac sign series, which is Pisces zodiac sign, and today we will discuss about Pisces zodiac sign, which is the last zodiac sign. So we will go ahead. Pisces people are known for being emotionally sensitive, gracious, and emotionally aware. Okay, Pisces characters are regarded for being among the most sympathetic of the zodiac signs, and they will go to great lengths to ensure the happiness of those around them. They're also very creative and imaginative people. Okay, and the Pisces is one of the water sign, so the emotional factor becomes very high in this sign, and these people are very giving in nature. They always like to give to other people, and they care for others happiness a lot. Okay, the most problematic thing which Pisces people face in their life is the confusion. Okay, they always face lots of confusions in their life, which is because of their, you can get it from their own symbol, that one fish is going this side and one fish is going that side. Okay, so it creates that confusion in their mind all the time. Okay, they're also creative, and Pisces are sympathetic and sensitive to others feelings. Okay, they can sense everything. Okay, any bad energy, good energy in the room, these are the people who senses very quickly. Okay, they may also they are also natural dreamers. Okay, who may be readily persuaded to pursue unrealistic dreams. Okay, they have very unrealistic and objectives and dreams. Okay, which may not be possible in this 3D world. Okay, so despite the fact that Pisces will put in a lot of effort to care for others, they have a hard time comprehending aid from others. Okay, Capricorn, Cancer, Leo, and Taurus are believed to be the most romantically suitable signs for Pisces. Okay, and Gemini and Sagittarius are the signs they are least compatible with. Okay, so never marry. So Pisces should never marry Gemini and Sagittarius. Okay, their dedication and desire to please their spouse can often come off as neediness, making more independent types feel suffocated. Okay, so if a Pisces marries a very independent person, then they may sometimes feel suffocated with Pisces. Okay, the friends and relatives of Pisces place a high value on them because they are very important for them. Okay, friends and family are very important. They are devoted to their families and will prioritize them throughout their lives. Okay, they adore gatherings of extended families where everyone may enjoy each other's company. Okay, they may appear to be flourish in the job at first because their idealistic and susceptible. These points are very true. Okay, so we will talk some of the weaknesses of Pisces. First weakness is escapism. Okay, escapism, unrealistic. They are always in the illusion, submissive, lethargic, self-pitying, lacking boundaries, dependent and codependent. Okay, sometimes Pisces can care a little too much. Okay, this means that they can get pulled into drama that they have no business being. Okay, Pisces make natural healers and have the compassion to be able to work with just about anyone. They make excellent caregivers. Pisces also make excellent artists, dancers, actors, and musicians. Okay, and they can also use their power to feel and predict as means to sell something. Okay, so you can naturally see doctors in this field. Okay, any medical profession people in this field. What there are three types. Pisces are also of three types. Okay, the healer Pisces, the internalized Pisces, and the third one I really don't remember right now, but the dreamer Pisces. Okay, these are the three types of Pisces. Okay, Pisces does not give much importance to money. Okay, Pisces need money like others, and majority of them gain major wealth. Okay, according to Pisces, the primary objective in life is to do good, feel good, relief from any pain, and peaceful mind. Okay, Pisces comfortably earn instinctively and intuitively. Okay, they don't do hard work, they are very lazy people. They want to earn intuitively and creatively, even though they are earning. Okay, so these were some personality traits of Pisces. Now we will discuss about some professions which is related to Pisces. Okay, first of all, artist, social work, okay, musician, caregiver, psychotherapist, psychic, pharmacist, okay, educator, education giving any as a teacher. Okay, in this line Pisces people do very great. Okay, now we will discuss some health issues. Okay, which Pisces may face. Okay, first of all, it is nervous system, feet, and thalamus. Okay, sensitive Pisceans often worry themselves sick. Okay, they so much get worried when they are sick. Okay, this is difficult to do because Pisces often have weak immune system. Okay, their immune system is not very strong. If you are a Pisces, you are likely have cons, B unions, and athlete's foot. Okay, if you don't have these conditions, they may be in your future. Okay, so feet is the main area in which you have to take care. You may get something injury or something related pains in the feet. Okay, and Pisces people are too very casual with their eating habits and don't believe in eating healthy. Okay, which further weakens their immunity. Okay, so these people also should start eating healthy. Okay, and these are also